I'm pretty sure KitKat is one of the most liked chocolates in the world, so why not use it to make some dessert cups? With 4 layers consisting of KitKat crumbs, chocolate, and regular whipped cream, these are sure to be a hit. And the best part is these require no baking or waiting. So let's get started. First, let's crush 400 grams of KitKat bars into small crumbs using a food processor. Once done, set them aside because you won't need them again until the end. Then add a 1/4 cup or 2 ounces of heavy cream into 100 grams of milk chocolate chips and melt them in the microwave. Mix until the chocolate is well combined and place it in the freezer. We will add this into the first batch of whipped cream, so freezing it will cool it down. Now in a large bowl, add 3/4 cup or 6 ounces of heavy cream and whip it until you have stiff peaks. Once you have the peaks, add in the melted chocolate and whip it as well until properly mixed. Now let's make some regular whipped cream. Add 1 cup or 8 ounces of heavy cream into a bowl along with a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 50 grams of granulated sugar. You already know what to do next. After we have stiff peaks, I like to add a teaspoon of clear piping gel. The problem with regular whipped cream is that it deflates very quickly, which ruins any decoration you try to do. But the piping gel acts as a stabilizer and works like magic. You only need a teaspoon per cup of heavy cream to ensure the whipped cream doesn't deflate. Now for the fun part, making the dessert cups. Using small 6-ounce cups, create a layer of KitKat crumbs and even it out. Then add some chocolate whipped cream followed by more crumbs, and for the final layer, top it off with the regular whipped cream. And at last, add a piece of KitKat to complete the dessert cups. These are sure to be a hit for any occasion. They're delicious and the stabilized whipped cream will ensure they stay presentable. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and let me know how these turn out in the comments. I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good day.